Hello everyone, it's Angel from the Abernathy's Go Green. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorites from the month of April. Let's go ahead and get started. The first product that I have here is the Shamanuti Seaweed Toner. I got this in my last Petit Four box that I unboxed for you guys here on my channel. I think February, and we were in the middle of winter and I sprayed a little bit on my arms and it immediately dried up my skin. But since then, it is now early spring. It's kind of warmed up a little bit here where we live, so it's not as cold and we haven't had our indoor heating on too much. So I think my skin is in better shape now, and I started using this on my skin at I've used about that much of it. I have that much left, I should say. I have that much left in this little bottle, and I have really been liking it. It is very hydrating. Let me read to you some of the ingredients. The first ingredient is aloe, and then it's got organic kelp and organic blue-green algae extract in here, hyaluronic acid. So with the hyaluronic acid and the aloe, it is very hydrating. And then it has the black willow bark extract that is good for oily skin. So my skin is leaning towards more on the way oily side since it's warmed up a little bit and it's not as dry because of winter. And then it does have glycerin also to add to the hydrating, and then it has dead sea salt, which has a lot of minerals that the skin loves. But yeah, I wanted to tell you guys about this because whenever I unboxed it, I told you guys I was afraid to put this on my skin because it's just gonna dry it up so much. But now that the weather is a little bit on the warmer side, my skin is more oily. It's taken really well to this, and I'm glad that I didn't just declutter it in the middle of winter when my skin was not having it. But yeah, I love this. I can see myself picking up a full size of this to use in the summer. It smells really nice too. It has a fragrant, I don't know what it is that gives it that scent. Oh, it just says essential oils. It doesn't specifically say what kind of essential oils there are in here. It just says essential oils. So whatever essential oils that they use on this, it smells really good. It smells kind of, I feel like it would have like lime, like citrusy, and maybe like it smells kind of like cucumbery also, but it smells really good. The only thing is it does come out as a spray, like it has a very strong spray, so I would not use this as a makeup setting spray. I think it would be too disruptive of a spray. I do have to be careful whenever I'm spraying it on my face to make sure it doesn't go straight into my eyes. But even when I get a lot around my eye area, it doesn't sting or anything, so I really like it. And then the second product that I have here is the Mamiel Skin Recovery Blend Pressed Serum. This is the sidekick to the April Beauty Heroes. That's what it looks like. It's a pressed serum or a balm. It's just this beautiful blue color. You need the tiniest amount. That's why I haven't really made a giant dent in this. It has that beautiful blue color and it just melts right onto the skin. It does contain shea butter, but I don't find it to be really heavy. I use this at night to kind of just seal in all of the hydration that I put on my skin, and it is very calming. It smells amazing. It smells like blue tansy, and it is just very moisturizing, and like I said, I like to apply it at night to seal in all of the hydration, and I wake up to a calmer looking skin, especially when I am suffering from hormonal acne. Speaking of hormonal acne, I did a mask and review unboxing of this guy here. This is the Malaya Advanced Repair Mask Neem Honey Herbal Complex. This came in the April Boxwalla box. After my first use of this, I'm like, yes, I need to have this in my life forever. If you choose to watch that video, I will link it down below, but I did like a Mask It Monday type style video of this, where I applied it to my face and did a little review and went over the ingredients. But it has honey and neem. It is very hydrating and very calming to the skin. You can use it all over the face as an all-over mask or use it as a spot treatment. I've used this a total of 4 times this month. It's really helped calm down my breakouts. So this and this I use twice a week, and then this every night whenever I have active breakouts are just my skin saviors this month. So I'm so glad that those came in the subscription boxes that I'm subscribed to. Alright, so that's it for skincare. I have a couple more makeup products. I finally bit the bullet and purchased the Clove and Hallow Hydratint. This is a product that I've kind of just been intrigued about because I've seen mixed reviews of this. Like, it's funky how it has a nail polish like applicator. The first review of this was by Stephanie. Life Meets Steph is the name of her channel, and it picked up the foundation whenever she was blending it in, and we kind of had a little conversation about that. And I forget who else I've seen review this. Reviews are kind of just all over the place. So, but I bought it anyway after all this time, and I absolutely love it. I have it on today. I did a little get ready with me of like my 5-minute makeup routine, like an everyday makeup routine, and I used this on that video. I've been pretty much using just this all month long, and I absolutely love it. I love cream products because I think it just blends into your skin so seamlessly. There are some cream products that just leaves like an emollient feeling to the skin, but this just sinks into the skin. Like, you touch your skin and it doesn't feel like you have anything on. It's so weightless, and I just use a blush brush to blend this into my cheeks. I will link that video down below so you guys can see this in action, but it is the cheek color that I'm wearing right now. It's just a very nice natural cheek color. I don't think you can go overboard with this, and it's in the shade Blossom, if I didn't mention that. And then I bought the Honest Beauty Get It Together eyeshadow palette. I have a 3 looks 1 palette using this palette. I did a little poll on Instagram with you guys asking if I should buy the Clove and Hallow palette or this one, and big majority of you guys said this one. Right now I'm wearing this shade all over the lid, this shade all over like the crease just to deepen the outer V, and then this gold shade on the inner, closer to my lid, or on my lid actually. And I think it looks really good. The mattes do have a lot of kick up on the pan whenever you dip your brush in it. I just tap it on this and to get rid of it so that way I won't have any fallouts, and I think they work really beautifully, and it's like $20. You can get it on Amazon. And I did go ahead and I told you guys this on Instagram whenever I showed you, whenever I put the packing tape over the black eyeshadow, because it was just every time I opened it, there'd be black particles all over the whole palette. So I'm like, I've had enough of this. You're making too much of a mess. So I put packing tape over the black. But that's the only shade that does that. Just another Honest Beauty makeup product that I love. I already love their mascara and their lip crayons and their cheek color. So they're one of my favorite affordable brands, as well as the Clove and Hallow. Alright, so speaking of affordable, I picked up the Au Naturel lip glosses. I have it in the shade Tickled Pink and Passion Fruit. I will swatch the Tickled Pink for you guys. I swatched this on my Makeup Monthly video. And then the Passion Fruit I do have on my lips right now. So that's what it looks like, but I'll go ahead and swatch it. Why not? So that's what Passion Fruit looks like. And it's gonna not focus. But this has, they're called their luster glosses, and they do have a little bit of a shimmer particle, but I really can't tell on my lips. It just, I think, just adds to the dimensions that it gives to your lips, and I really like it. It does have a little bit of a stickiness to it, but I don't mind it. Sometimes when lip glosses are, you know, not sticky at all, then they're just gone from your lips like an hour after you apply it, but this definitely lasts through even drinking coffee and talking and everything. So I really like it, and it's very hydrating. These are, I believe, $18, and whenever I picked these two up, I did pick these up from Petit Boar website, and they were having some kind of a sale where they were $13 a piece. So very good buys, and I'm glad that they kind of worked out, and I love them, and I want to get more colors now. And then the last product that I have here that I love for the month of April, and kind of a new discovery, is this wallet or card holder. It is by the brand Samara. This is, it says Samara right there in gold. I don't know if you can see it, but this is like a vegan leather card holder, and it has this little button, and you just pop it through. That's what the closure looks like, and then you just have your cards in there. It holds everything. It's pretty spacious, and I can also fit bills in here, like dollar bills. You just fold it in half and pop it in here. I know that I switched to smaller, like sling bags for my purse in the summer because I just think it's easier in the summer whenever we're out and about. So I moved to smaller wallets in the spring and summer, and I'm really glad to have this one because the wallet that I had from last spring and summer is starting to look atrocious, so I'm glad to have a little replacement for it. So I think that will do it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorites were for the month of April. I'm interested to see if any of you guys have tried any of these products, and let me know what your thoughts are on the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!